So we did the Papa Chemicals. Your health is important. We welcome you again. Today we are going to talk about taking early morning warm water. And also benu musu anopa. Say yeah ana enye. Say ne betimi abo ana say ntimi mo. And as usual, with your man, your professional, your specialist, Dr. Nikomo of Algo Hospital. And then they sign in a share. All by be show you na doctor. Yes, I'm a baby. Yes, so be benu musu anopa.
No correct. A year
Pass so.
Yes.
Shatter wale papa so. Big up shatter.
Ensure your number and early morning, no. Very, very good for the body.
Okay.
In a sense that say, and then what did the leftover, no. A quarter Johnson, a bit than Johnson, a bit so far, because one drink, one the Yaman Baku may be na boom, and I drink now. What I say? Too much of it not to make us toxic our system. What one does Simon, one son. It's no liquid no, if I do some pee, and I saw the so far, your giant. It is a woman sure and a pana. I flash all the toxins our system running out.
Wow.
And a second, so I prevent headache. Sure and a pa, ensure the I prevent headache. And then I put to us I prevent headache because every a day no crano. At least some one monsieur one a day you'll be on 1.5 liters of water.
And all there's a water cleaning.
Water can never small one, you see. A day.
We crown no get to improve.
And the one said, Adiachin, one man no monsieur 5 animals, we say 5 animals.
Okay.
One man no monsieur 5 animals. What are that? I'm Adiachin. It could be dehydration.
Dehydration.
Or body no be lusu. Enya as in soon new body. What I say. And to say, Adiachin, what did you walk about where you dream? One man no monsieur 1.5 liters and 1 liter a day. Adiachin, dehydration. Signs symptoms of dehydration, a headache. Motivate Joe.
Motivate starter or ya.
Yeah. Internal panel sorry, so bones you 5 ml, 1 cup of water. A preventive headache, a preventive dehydration. And it's a preventive dehydration, so the headache neither. Ever. And an opportunity to also so nuncia and my energy. And my energy. Because
pensona one.
Yes.
My energy. I said no patri.
My energy, my energy. My energy to the because you've gone for almost 8 hours without drinking and eating.
Yes.
What I say. And just say an apana so no be good body no more. And more energy.
Oh nice.
And more to the point no. And my stomach is empty. Because there may be a peptic ulcer.
Peptic ulcer. Peptic ulcer na ulcer.
Peptic ulcer.
Peptic ulcer.
Yes. Ulcer no just say kura ewo yim.
Kura ewo yim.
Ulcer no peptic ni kura ewo yim.
Okay. Yim kru. Okay.
Yes, in a simple way. And it's oh sorry every human being and there's body no produce acid beer. A bomb digestion it take place.
Oh, you can do.
Yes. And it's a woman say the acid is actia. The share acid go anymore and as a woman say the acid in yellow no. So I acid no. I want to transfer your body no inside no. So acid na body no produce no. Sound so na if share acid go no. Sound me here. It's an apparent so no. Maybe I starving for almost 8 years. When the you know they are just stomach na empty. What I say. It's acid no. We na stomach line na e cause irritation e yekro. What I say? E yekro awo yem no mu. Enti no so sorry na se wonu nsu a anapa na sa acid na won e dilute acid no. Ema na ho ni so ti
eba form. Okay.
Na entimi nko so ham.
Okay.
Emma And now I so. So unum so bebrea. Emma se bi oso na a common doa. Unum so bebrea. Eti a common so. It decreases anger.
Okay.
So if you're feeling hungry, now unum so na boom sure. It decreases hunger no. What I say? And the second one so and my skin so I also come.
And a pension
na taking water.
Early morning water.
It makes your skin look fresh and clean. And my lusu of a weight say what fu a kesia. Unum so be na a lusu the weight no. I will funu a lusu no like a lusu. Sa fat na wo ho na wo for epuka no e ma wunya flat tummy.
Taking morning water
taking water ankasa morning water
say water
early in the morning water sa etino sa enyama mabbo si ade a eboa ema unum su a eboa onipadua no say Emma will force you flat, say Emma prevent headache, say a dilutu, what do you call it? Acid night oh you know, say Emma a common end one temp, Nina and François
and a person.
My
memu say in Suno be busa question say in Suno we have two different waters. And you say in so be in so they say fridge mu ye and I dey say fridge and I dey ya woman kaka dey na
okay. Water should be look like I say anyone say I get too much cold.
And say children.
Yes, and you know I say I am craving. And you can say too much because even if it's too much, won't mean no ye. And then when you're taking cold water, one say the blood needs to be to prevent one say moja say what the two idea means so a clotty eda and I was say one no so any new bebre say they be a
blood no
me better my blood no flow because the blood in the system has a kind of a temperature a regularity Emma bibia ekoso kama but what they sa ensure ano enwunu pa no ma Emma moja no so eda o nipa bi ekoso a lot of harm it mean koso blockage what you say because on so enwunu nti it mean ma blockage bi there
na say doctor you try it ya pa de anke nsuo do obeno mo a de ka warm kakra bi aye enwunu kakra cool but not too much cool because if you can say too much everything is bad. Okay.
What I say, so na you but enye pa.
Na say benya enso ense fridge.
Enso ense fridge no the best but so untimi no kwa so man freeze. Because so man
enso ense fridge dey no na e best.
Yes. Because so uta ye here o mamota no nsa no chill you know onum nsa no a obo no one glass of you I chill drink no obo na minimum as a minimum as a minimum a deep in as a for these are the effects of taking too much cold drinks.
Abusafo madam wase ene ha na de obi asie we ye kasafa ensuo nom ho anopa ensuo nom eye papa aboa me papa obi a wo ye fun yare pa sorry anopa no nsuo I'm telling you optimi continue obey man to credit betimi to ase ama very good. Na say no e cancer now sa all sana ano e bia omo aye omo ya bebe
omo yem ya na pan say bio odidi now say yem ya na come yem ya major symptoms of peptic ulcer. I wish you have for tinyame pa ochina ye besane ehia
ewi di twa free bemba de di twa sabomu free delivery Frenamba na eguso no na di twa sabo mu